Hello students, welcome back to Learn Guru classes. So today is a continuation of the last class where we have solved first three problems from exercise 6.2 under the chapter Lines and Angles. So in this video we are going to solve the next three problems from this chapter. So as usual from the last problems you should have a very clear understanding about parallel lines, transversal, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, corresponding angles, vertically opposite angles, as well as consecutive interior angles. So, a recap of the parallel lines, transversal, and the relationship between these angles are here. So, AB and CD are the two parallel lines. Okay, so and EF is the transversal meeting the line AB at the point P and CD at the point Q. Okay, so as soon as the transversal cuts these parallel lines, 8 angles are formed. Okay, so the first line in the transversal forms angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Similarly, the second line also forms the angles 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Now, as these angles are formed, okay, depending on the position of the angles, we name it differently. Okay, so let's have a look at the angles. Okay, so first of all, corresponding angles. So I am not going into the detail why it is corresponding angle. A detailed video has already been uploaded in the channel. If you want, you can refer the video. Okay, I am just telling the angle relationship. Okay, so angle 1 equals to angle 5. Okay, corresponding angles are angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 2 equals to angle 6 are the corresponding angles. Again, angle 3 equals to angle 7 and angle 4 equals to angle 8. Next comes as alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So, alternate interior angles means the opposite angles that are lying within the parallel lines. Okay. So, here angle 4 equals to angle 6. Okay. So, these are alternate interior angles and they are equal, and angle 3 equals to angle 5. Okay. These are also all interior angles, alternate interior angles, and they are equal. Next comes alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. So, alternate exterior angle, so by the name itself you can identify that they are lying opposite as well as they are lying outside the parallel line. So, here obviously angle 1 equal to angle 7. These are exterior angles, also they are alternate exterior angles, and angle 2 equals to angle 8. So, all these are applicable in case of parallel lines. Parallel lines makes corresponding angles equal, alternate interior angles equal and alternate exterior angles equal. Also, we have another term that is consecutive interior angle. So, consecutive interior angle, consecutive means one after the other, and interior means lying in between the parallel lines. So, angle 4 and angle 5 are the alternate consecutive interior angle, and angle 3 and angle 6 also make consecutive interior angle. So, the relationship between them is that the sum of the consecutive interior angles is 180 degree. That is angle 4 plus angle 5 equals to 180 degree, and angle 3 plus angle 6 also makes 180 degree. So, if you remember these angle relationships, then you can easily solve the questions in your exercise. Side by side, you should also have deep understanding about the 4 theorems which is here. Question number 4 of exercise 6.2 is, in figure, if PQ parallel ST angle PQR equals to 110 degree and angle RST equals to 130 degree. Find angle QRS. So some of you may wonder that how it is given that PQ is parallel to ST. But let me tell you, the position of PQ and ST is such that this is PQ and this is ST. So obviously you can see the difference that PQ is parallel to ST. So what are the things that are given to you? It's given that angle PQR equals to 110 degree and angle RST equals to 130 degree. So what you are asked to find out? You are asked to find out angle QRS. So angle QRS is this part. Okay. So here only the hints that are given to solve this question is these two values. Okay. So right now at this position, it is not possible to solve the sum until and unless you make some extra construction. So for that, what we do, we draw a line XY that is parallel to PQ and obviously it will be parallel to ST as well. So we will write down construction XY is drawn parallel to PQ and ST. Okay. So as soon as PQ XY is drawn parallel to PQ, so this angle and this angle are the consecutive interior angles. So since XY is parallel to PQ, so angle PQR and angle QRX are consecutive interior angles. So angle PQR plus angle QRX, we know that the sum of the consecutive interior angle is what? 180 degree. So sum of consecutive interior angle is 180 degree. So PQR value is already given to us, that is 110 degree plus angle QRX equals to 180 degree. So the value of angle QRX comes out to be 70 degree. So similarly XY is parallel to XT. So XY is parallel to ST. So what are the two consecutive interior angles? Angle RST and angle SRY are consecutive interior angles. So angle RST and angle SRY are consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles. Okay. So same reason, angle RST plus angle SRY equals to 180 degree. So angle RST is 130 degree plus angle SRY equals to 180 degree. So that is angle SRY equals to 50 degree. Okay. Now if you see here, what are you asked to find out? You are asked to find out angle QRS. Now this angle, that is angle QRX, angle QRS and angle SRY makes a linear pair. That is, sum of these angles will give you 180 degree. So you will write angle QRX plus angle QRS plus angle SRY equals to 180 degree. Why is it so? Because these makes linear pair. So angle QRX is already you know, that is 70 degree. Angle QRS that you are asked to find out. And angle SRY is 50 degree. We have already found out. See, so easy. 180 degree. So, angle QRS will come out to be 180 degree minus 70 degree minus 50 degree, that is 60 degree is the value of angle QRS. Question number 5 is, in the figure, if AB parallel CD, angle APQ equals to 50 degree, so and angle PRD equals to 127 degree, find X and Y. So it's given that AB is parallel to CD and angle APQ, that is this angle. This angle is 50 degree and angle PRD, that is this is 127 degree. Find X and Y. That is these are known values you have to find out. Okay. So we will write the solution. Since AB is parallel to CD, and PQ is the transversal, PQ is the transversal, so we can write this is the alternate interior angles. It is something like this. Okay, this is AB, this is CD, both of them are parallel, and PQ is something like this. Okay, is something in this position. So this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles. So we can write angle APQ equals to angle PQR. Okay, so angle APQ is 50 degree and angle PQR is X. So X equals to 50 degree because alternate interior angles are equal. So already we have found out the value of X. Now you see, this angle, that is angle PRD, value is given to us, that is 127 degree. So for this triangle PQR, this is the exterior angle, and we know that exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. So these are the interior angles opposite to angle exterior angle. So we will write down as, in triangle PQR, okay, angle PRD equals to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Yes, since exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles, right? So angle PRD is given as 127 degree, angle PQR is given as X degree, and this is Y degree. So X is already we have found out, right? So this is 50 degree, this is Y. So Y will be 127 degree minus 50 degree, that is 77 degree is the answer. So we have found out the values of X. So X came out to be 50 degree and the value of Y is 77 degree. Last question of this chapter is, in figure PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C and again reflects back along CD. So you are to prove that AB parallel CD. So here you need to use the concept of physics to solve this sum. Okay, so the scenario here is PQ and RS are the two mirrors. Okay, so they are parallel to each other. They are placed parallel to each other. Now, due to the position of these two mirrors, what happened? Suppose a ray of light is incident on the mirror PQ. Okay, so obviously it will be reflected back. Okay, so this BC is the reflected ray of for the mirror PQ. Okay, so the reflected ray, what happens? It strikes the mirror RS. Okay, and after that it again gets reflected back CD. So for mirror PQ, AB is the incident ray, BC is the reflected ray. For the mirror RS, BC is the incident ray and CD is the reflected ray. Okay, so you are to prove that this incident ray, okay, for the line for the mirror PQ is parallel to this ray CD, that is the reflected ray for the mirror RS. Okay, so for this we need to make some changes or some adaptations in the existing diagram. So for that, what we do, already we know that suppose for when you have studied physics, studying the laws of reflection, suppose this is a mirror and what we do, this is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray, right? And we draw a normal that is plane to the or perpendicular to the surface of the mirror. So similarly here also we will be doing the same. What will we do? We will draw a line, suppose BE perpendicular to PQ, and we will draw a line CF that is perpendicular to RS. Okay, so what will we write here? We will write that solution, construction, we will write BE is perpendicular to PQ and CF is perpendicular to RS such that BE parallel to CF. Okay. Now suppose you see here, suppose PQ is the mirror. Okay. So AB is the incident ray, BE is the normal, and BC is the reflected ray. Okay, so we know that angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So here this is the angle of incidence and angle of reflection is this. So we will write from the laws of reflection, we can write angle 1 equals to angle 2. Why? Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. So this is for the mirror for PQ, for the mirror PQ. So for RS also the same. This we will write as angle 1, angle 2. So this we will name it as angle 3 and this is angle 4. So here also angle 3 equals to angle 4, same reason. So give this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Okay. Now you see here BE is parallel to CF, right? It's already given here BE is parallel to CF and BC is the transversal. Okay, so the position, let me show you the position. Suppose this is BE and this is CF. Okay, and this BC is the transversal. So this angle, that is angle 2 will be equals to angle 3 because these two are the alternate interior angles. So since BE parallel to CF and BC is the transversal. BC is the transversal. So from that we can write that angle 2 equals to angle 3. Why? Alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, so this is equation 3. Okay, now you see here, if angle, try to understand the logic here. If angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So evidently angle 1 is equal to angle 4 as well, right? Because if we just replace 3 with 2, and if you try to equate the two equations, then you will find that angle 1 equal to angle 4. So I am not showing you the entire procedure. So I will just write down from 1, 2 and 3. We can write angle 1 equals to angle 4. Okay, angle 1 equals to angle 4. So obviously, so means what? Angle 1 equals to angle 2 equals to angle 3 equals to angle 4. So I can, from here I can easily write down that angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to angle 3 plus angle 4. Now you see, what is this angle? Angle 1 plus angle 2 gives us angle ABC. So this is angle ABC, and angle 3 and angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle 4, that is what? BCD. So angle BCD. Now you try to understand, try to visualize this thing. This is this angle and this is this angle. Okay. So how does this angle look as? If this is the parallel line, suppose this you are to show AB parallel CD, but since, let us consider, if this is the parallel line and BC is the transversal, so these are the alternate interior angles. So from that we can write down, I will just rub down this part to make space. So from here we can write down that these are the alternate interior angles are equal. Angles are equal. So from that we can prove that AB is parallel CD. Hence proved. Thus we come to the end of all the 6 problems from exercise 6.2. So if you have understood these problems, please subscribe to Learn Guru classes for more interesting content. Like and share it with your friends. Hope to meet you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.